96% of brands are spending money on Google Ads alone, so why wouldn't you pass the PPC reins over to the specialists? But first, what is PPC management? PPC management is when an agency or specialist runs and manages your PPC campaigns externally to your business. A lot can be included in PPC management services, including creating ad copy, visual ads, sticking to and managing budgets, industry knowledge, reporting statistics, and more. Now I hear you asking, well, why would I outsource? By outsourcing, you can have a team of specialists overseeing exactly what's going on with your campaigns. Any dips in traffic, conversions, and leads can be spotted and adjusted accordingly to ensure your success. Ultimately, 3 key benefits come from PPC. The first one is budget control. You'll have your agency or specialist's management fee and also what you're willing to spend on ads. Part of your PPC partner's job is to monitor your spending and ensure that you never go drastically over budget. However, you should factor in the 10% surplus that ad managers recommend to make the most of your budget. The next is results. Outsourcing to a specialist likely means they have a lot of expertise and may have even worked within your industry before. They know which metrics are worth tracking at the campaign's core and not just at a surface level. The position of the campaign should be presented to you with full transparency for both successes and drawbacks of the campaign at any stage. Finally, fewer barriers. With channels like SEO, you're likely to rely on having actual content on your site to improve where your business ranks. With PPC, it relies on the bidding strategy and competition your industry for those keywords. It still stands that those who can pay more into PPC campaigns are likely to see more results, but only when your campaign is optimized to a higher standard and level. Outsourcing PPC management for small businesses should be easier now than ever. So whether you need it right now or in the future, knowing that PPC is an option for your business is always a starting point. If you're thinking about hiring a PPC agency, check out our free downloadable guide to hiring a PPC agency from the link in our description. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly content to boost your search engine marketing.